Basis of designer lehenga. Article body. The best known wedding dress which you buy for your bride is the lehenga choli, also known as ghagra choli, because you wish to see her in the best appearance on the marriage day. But are you aware that it is most common outfit for women in the states of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh? It is known by the different names in different states like chaniya choli, lehenga choli, ghagra choli, etc. Normally the complete dress is the combination of the dupatta, choli and a lehenga. Utilizing the theme of outfits worn by women as a tradition, the various designers have come out with various categories and designs of designer lehenga. Design of lehenga. While designing the complete outfit or set of a designer lehenga, the designers have to design its matching choli and dupatta also. In fact, the choli is nothing else but a midriff bearing blouse and is worn with sari also. But the design of choli which is to be worn by designer lehenga is different with that to be worn with saris. It is designed to have a tight fit in the women body. It may be sleeveless or with sleeves as per the choice of the husband and wife. The neck and back design is also chosen by the wearer. It may be low neck or low back if desired. The opening of the desired choli also differs from designer to designer. It may be a front opening or back opening. When it comes to designer lehenga, you should be always aware that it is one form of skirt which is typically long and especially plaited and embroidered. It is worn in a style that is fastened by the help of string or elastic at the waist, and the lower portion at the legs is kept open. The dupatta, as it forms the essential part of the dress, may be of matching color to that of the lehenga and have the embroidery similar to lehenga. Fabric of lehenga. If you roam through the market where clothes are sold, you will find that the designer lehenga are made of various types of fabrics such as silk, khadi, cotton, georgette, net, crepe, satin, chiffon, brocade, etc. However, the silk has the monopoly over various fabrics since decades. Embroidery on lehenga. It is an important fact that not only the fabric but stitching patterns and embroidery also plays a vital role in making designer lehenga. You may find various kinds of embroidery and decorative work done on the lehengas. These may be gota, shisha, fulkari, chikankari, nakshi, zari, kundan, zardosi, etc. The various patterns you may find like geometric shapes, flowers, buildings, trees of various kinds, etc. in decorative work on designer lehenga. You will also find the tradition of various states and tribes such as Kutch of Gujarat, Sodha, Garesia Jats, Dhaneta Jats, etc. reflected by the various designers in making a wedding dress. These all basic are used by the designer and they present you a special theme for your wedding day as per your choice and taste.